Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the JBL Charge 4. Now you can pick this up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $150. Now it comes in 10 different colors. Now the main question I'm going to answer in this video is, should you buy the Charge 4 for $150 or should you get the Charge 3 for $50 cheaper? Let's find out. Shout out to White Shoes. She got the night off. Here we go, JBL Charge 4. Let's see, you got JBL Connect Plus. That means you can connect up to 100 speakers together. Dare to listen. Let's go through the features. 20 hours worth of battery life. It's IPX7 waterproof. That means you can submerge it in water for 3 feet up to 30 minutes. Comes with a power bank. And like I said, JBL Connect Plus. All right, so let's grab a little unboxing knife. Got the Incredible Hulk. Here we go. Rah. And we'll do one more for good measures. Let's get in there. Rah. Okay, so here we go. JBL Charge 4. Beautiful presentation, I gotta say. Charge 4. Plug it and file it. Okay, here's your speaker. Let's see what else you get. Little box right here. Now this one doesn't come with the wall charger, but it is what it is. Okay, so you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. And you get a cable, some poison for the trolls. Let me save that. Now check this out. USB Type-C charging. I got some nice little upgrade right there. And that's pretty much it. Here's your speaker. Now let me grab a Charge 3. Let's see which one is bigger. You can see clearly the Charge 4 is a little bit bigger. A little bit taller. But aesthetically, they pretty much look the same. Weight-wise, about the same. This one might be a little bit heavier. Let's see on the front, you got your JBL branding. Now you got that cloth mesh design that you're going to find on all your JBL speakers. There's your connect button, volume up and down, play and pause, power, Bluetooth. Those nice radiators that vibrate. That's one of the best features. Let's see on the back, you got your little flap. USB Type-C. Let me see, do I got a USB-C? Here we go, let's plug this in. USB Type-C charging. There's your LEDs. Let's see, you got a 3.5 out and you got your USB-A out. So this way you can charge your phone, charge your tablet, charge your camera, do whatever you do. All right, how does this sound? Let me pause the video, I'll grab a phone and we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so I got this all paired up, so now let's test it out. Here we go, max volume. Alright, so you heard it for yourself. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. Sounds like a classic JBL speaker, nice and loud, booming bass. Y'all seen them radiators vibrating? I love that. Now, if this thing sounds this good, let's see how two of these paired up together sound. And of course, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building. Alright, so here we go. Two JBL Charge 4s paired up together. All right, one more. Two JBL Charge 4s paired together sound incredible. Now these will make some dope gaming laptop speakers, or these will be perfect to travel with and set them up in your hotel room, have your little party environment. Now I know somebody's going to ask, which one sounds better, the Charge 4 or the UE Boom? Definitely the Charge 4. Now for the main question of this video, which one sounds louder and better, the Charge 4 or the Charge 3? Let's find out. Alright, so I got them both paired up to an iPhone, same song, same max volume. Here we go. Let's start with the Charge 3. Now here's the Charge 4. Here's the Charge 3. Here's the Charge 4. One more with the Charge 3. Here's the Charge 4. Now I gotta say, I'm sitting right in front of both of these speakers. The Charge 4 is a little bit louder and has a little bit more bass, and you could feel the bass. I got my hands on the table when I'm playing the songs. With the Charge 3, you feel a little bit of vibration, but with the Charge 4, you definitely feel a little bit more bass vibration. Now, is that worth $50? I would say no. So if you already got a Charge 3, you don't need to upgrade. Now, if this is your first speaker, I would say just go for the Charge 4. It's a little bit louder and, like I said, has a little bit more bass. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the JBL Charge 4 is a major go. The build quality is excellent. That nice rugged design. Now I got a bunch of these speakers. I dropped them all over the place. They be in the trunk of my car. Never had a problem. I see these are definitely durable with a quality build. They're waterproof up to 3 feet for 30 minutes. You get a 20-hour battery life. Now, if you're rocking these on max volume, you're looking at about 14 hours, but that's still a good enough time to get you through a whole party. You can pair up to 100 of these together. They're nice and loud, crystal clear, and one of the best things about JBL speakers, the bass. You got those radiators on the side. You can see that vibration. These speakers definitely have a lot of bass. Now, again, to answer that main question, should you get a Charge 3, I would say, if you're on a budget, get the Charge 3. But if you already got the Charge 3, you don't need to upgrade to the Charge 4. But if you don't have any JBL speakers and you're thinking about getting one of these, I would say just go for the Charge 4. A little bit more bass, a little bit louder. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, Wonder Beam up. Energize. Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Floss, back again with another video, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Razer Phone 2.